What up, Facebook? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope you're doing well and I hope everything is wonderful in your world. Today I have for you, obviously my face already done, so I just wanted to do a little eye look for you using the palette that most of us got in the BoxyCharm for July. It's just really pretty. I'm getting ready to go to church and I wanted something not flamboyant today, just kind of everyday, run-of-the-mill, soft, pretty, shimmery, glowy beautifulness. So today I'm going to do an eye look for you using the Butter London Natural Goddess palette that we recently, most of us got in our BoxyCharm for July. I just think it has a really pretty, soft, feminine color story and I'm excited to use it. I'm going to go ahead and put on some blush and highlighter because I just realized that I didn't do that, and then I'll be back to start the eye look. I am going to go ahead and set my face with the Coconut Slay All Day Spray by Dry Cosmetics. So before I get started with the eye look, let's take care of some business. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and make sure and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you end up liking this video, please give me a thumbs up because that helps me out a lot. Please and thank you. So let's go ahead and get into this eye look. Alright, so I got you nice and zoomed in here so that you can see what I'm doing. Like I said, I really do enjoy the color story of this. I think it's soft and feminine and very pretty, and I think I can come up with something nice. The only thing is that I don't have kind of a lighter matte color, and so I'm going to grab my Jawbreaker by Jeffree Star, and I'm just going to go in with the shade Virgin to carve out my brow, and the shade Cork as a transition. To deepen the outer corner, I'm going to go in with the shade Temptress. I think I'm going to do a little bit of a half cut crease because I think I want to use these two colors, this one kind of in the center and this one in the inner, and I just really want those to show up, so I'm going to cut my crease. I'm going to use my Jeffree Star concealer. Went up a little too high here, so I'm gonna go over it with the brown. I'm gonna start off with Queen on the outer edge. And then Enchantress on the inner portion. And now I'm going to put Queen on one side of the brush and Enchantress on the other side. And then I'm just going to go back and forth between the two and blend these two together. And then take the brush I used for Temptress earlier and do a blend on the outer corner here. Pull that in a little bit further. I'm going to go in with my finger into Queen and try to intensify this a little bit here. I'm going to take this little detail brush, this Morphe M507, and go into Temptress again, just on the tip of this brush, and just kind of try to carve out the cut crease just a little bit with the darker color. I'm going to take the brush I had cork on and just go over the top of that and soften it up a little. It's looking real choppy and weird, so I'm going to go in with that same brush. I'm going to clean it on my color switch and go into cork and see if I can't go right on that line and blend it out a little bit. Alright, I'm happy with it now. I don't know if it's user error, if the shadows are super patchy, or like, I don't know. You just ever have those days where you're just kind of off of your game. I'm kind of feeling that way today. So in the least, I think I came up with something that looks pretty good, and I'm just going to have to be okay with that. I am going to take a smaller brush and go back into Enchantress, the light color right there, and go in and see if I can get this to work in my inner corner. If not, I'll find something lighter. But I think that's going to be fine. And since I can't neglect this pretty color, I just can't, I'm going to use this on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go in with the fluffy brush, again with cork out of the Jeffree Star, and blend that out. Alright, so I am going to go off of the camera and put on some mascara and winged eyeliner. Then I'm going to come back and we'll choose a lip, and I will show you some new lashes that I want to try today. Alright guys, I got this cool thing off Amazon. It looks like this. It's by, let's see here, Fashion Lashes by Magify. And they came on a wheel like this, all different styles, 3D, they call them 5D, there's all kinds of different ones. But the ones that I chose for the day look like that. Let's see if it's gonna focus. Probably not. But anyway, you're getting ready to see them on my eyeballs. So, maybe if I hold it up like that. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply these and we'll go from there. I'm gonna use my House of Lashes lash glue since I don't know how these are gonna stick, and usually this is like rubber cement. I like them. Okay, I'm gonna let those dry a little bit and see if they're gonna pull or retract or anything like that. And so while I'm waiting for that to happen, I will go ahead and put on a lippy. I'm gonna use my Viva Plump by Buxom in Mauve and my Buxom Plump Line Lip Liner in Dolly Danger. Like this color, and it's called a liquid lipstick, but it's like a glossy liquid lipstick, and I like that. And I do see a little bit of funkiness on my lash line, so I'm going to fix that real quick. And I'll go ahead and take mascara and kind of blend the naturals with the falsies. Okay, I am going to use my Glam Glow Glow Setter as my setting spray real quick. Alright, I zoomed out before I gave you the final look, really. So here's a close-up. Hopefully my eyeliner's not janky. But I don't know if I like it or if I don't. You guys, it's all good. I have something on my face, ready to go to church. Hopefully you liked it, and hopefully you enjoyed watching my process, even though I was on the struggle bus today. So thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate it so much. I'm gonna go get dressed. I'll come back and say goodbye to you, and then I'll be out of here. Okay guys, I'm back with the finished look. I don't really know how I feel about this palette. I'm kind of thinking that I'm not in love with it. But like I said, I might just be having an off day, and if that's the case, well, I'll let you know the next time I use it. But I do need to get out of here, so that's it for me. Anyways, thank you so much for being here. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye guys.